My name is Rajat Nair. My register number is URK19CS1107. Today we're gonna talk about on the topic to demonstrate the working of DCL commands like grant and revoke. So basically, grant is to the grant command is used to grant the privileges to the user, and revoke is to use to revoke the given privileges. So basically, what we have to do we just need to go to run command SQL, and we have exercise. So we have first question: create a department table with the following fields. Query all the rows in department table. So basically, department ID is there, department name is there, department manager ID is there, location ID. So how to create it? So basically, create table, departments, department ID number 10, department name varchar 220, manager ID as 10, location ID is number 10. So table is created. So how to describe this table? You just give to describe departments. So how you can give this? Describe departments. Now moving on to the next part of the question. So next part says that create a new user with name aura22. So how to do that? We just need to type create user aura22 identified by pass. Create user aura22 identified by pass. So it says user created. It will say user created. Moving on to the next part of the question. Grant the privilege to create session by the user aura. So how to give a privilege to create a session by user aura? So just need to type grant create session to aura22. Grant create session to aura22. So it will say grant succeeded. Moving on to the next part of the question. Allow user aura to create table. So how we do this? How a user can create a table? How we can allow a user to create a table? So we just need to type grant create table to aura22. Grant create table to aura22. It will say grant succeeded. Moving on to the next part. Grant all privilege to user aura22. So how we gonna do this? We have to type just grant all privileges to aura22. Simple basic commands syntaxes. So it will say grant succeeded. Grant all privileges to aura22. Now moving on to the next part of the question. It's saying grant user 22 to perform select, insert and operations in your departments table. So how a user aura22 can perform select, insert and operation in this table which we have created in the first part of the question. So basically we just need to grant permission. So basically grant insert on departments to aura22. Grant succeeded. So basically for selecting or inserting, the same command is there. So we just give grant insert on departments to aura22. So basically this user can tell it can select and insert anything in the departments table which is created above in the first part of the question. Now moving on to the last part of the question. Take back permissions from user aura22. So how to take back permission? We have a command. We have a command like revoke. So we just need to type revoke create table from aura22. Revoke create table from aura22. It will say revoke succeeded. So basically this is all over here in this exercise, and I've created a file for it. So everything was fine. As you can see, everything was there. Every command was succeeded and verified. Thank you.